This morning, before we get started with our ab routine, I want to do a quick 5-minute HIIT to warm up and stretch out a little, get you out an exercise mat, and we're going to get started. I'm Sarah Marie with Sarah Marie Fitness, and for this morning's ab challenge, we're going to be hitting our obliques. Usually I try to hit all 3 abdominal sections, the upper, the lower, and the whole core. But this morning I want to do things a little bit different, and we're going to do the obliques. But first we're going to do a 5-minute HIIT. So we're going to do as many rounds as possible. We're going to start with jumping jacks, then air squats, then jumping jacks again, burpees, air squats, mule kicks, jumping jacks, and start over. So our goal is to get as many rounds as possible. I've done this before and done 6, so I'd like to try to at least get in 6. And for today's abs, we're only going to need our mat, and I'll get to that in just a minute. I'm going to show you one round, and then I want you to set your timer for 5 minutes. I'm going to set my timer for 5 minutes, and then we're going to do 5 exercises of everything. In case you forgot, we are going to start with 5 jumping jacks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then 5 air squats. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Back to jumping jacks. 2, 3, 4, 5. And now 5 burpees. So we're going to go down, out, up, and jump. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Back to jumping jacks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And now we're going to get down for 5 mule kicks. You're going to put your hands down, and you're going to kick your feet into your butt and then up as high as you can. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Jumping jacks again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now keep going. Back to air squats for 5 minutes, doing the same circuit over and over. Hopefully you're like me and you are insanely out of breath. Let's lay down on the floor for a little bit of a warm-up stretch. I'm gonna lay out, put my hands underneath my chest, beside my chest, or a little bit further closer to my stomach, and push up, keeping my shoulders down away from my neck. Now we don't want to stretch too much, so push back and stretch out our upper body. As I said, we're going to work our obliques this morning. We're going to do plank, but we are going to dip on each side. We're going to do 30 of those, that way we get 15 on each side. Then we're going to stay in a side plank position, and we're going to reach up and go under for 15, and then we're going to lay down on our back, flip our knees over to the other side. So we're still working that same oblique, and we are going to do oblique crunch with a leg lift. So we'll do 15 of those as well, and then we will do the other side, hip dip, oblique crunch. Let's get started and into plank position. We're going to be on our elbows for plank and tip for 1, 2, 3. You're not quite stacking your feet on top of each other as you do this, like when we did rotating plank. You're just kind of leaning side to side. This is 8, 9, 10. You're still keeping your abdominals pulled into your stomach as you're twisting, holding your core nice and tight. 16, 17, over halfway there. 18, 19, 20, 21. Keep on your toes. 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, and 30. Move into a side plank position. We're going to put our right side down to start with. So you're going to go up on your right elbow and on your right leg towards the ground. You're going to come up and go under. That's 1, 2. If these are too hard, bend your top leg like this. 3, 4, or bend your bottom leg 5, 6. For this exercise, if you're going to have to modify, I prefer you to use your bottom leg bent. 9, 10, 11, reaching under, 12, 13, 14, and 15. Now this next exercise is going to be kind of hard. We're not doing just a regular oblique crunch where we lay on our back and we put our feet over. Actually, we're going to be putting our feet over to the left side since we just worked our right oblique. And we're going to be doing a crunch up. 15 of these. And as we crunch up, we're going to lift our legs a little. 1, 2, 3. You're going to really feel it in your oblique today. 5, 6, but that's part of the sculpting we are working on. 8, halfway there. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and 15. We're going to stay on our left side and we're going to do over-unders on the left oblique now. 1, 2, make sure you're reaching around, getting in that good rotation. 4, try not to let your bottom leg touch as you turn. It's okay if your calf touches a little bit as you turn. 8, 9, 10, 11, kind of lifting up at the top, 12, 13, 14, and 15. Now we're going to flip it over and face the other side so that our left oblique is up. Stretch out nice and long. Kind of put your feet in front of you a little bit. Hold your head, your left hand and your right arm down. Up we go. 1, 2. Try to keep your legs together as much as you can. 4, 5. And suck in your tummy muscles. 7, 8, 9, 10, almost there. 11, 12, stretch out and in. 13, 14, and 15. Flip it over onto your stomach. We got rotate, hip dip planks yet again. 30. We've got 15 on each side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, and 30. Bring it in, and we're going to put our left side up first this time. So you see, here is a straight line. My body's in a straight line. You want to stick your feet out just a little bit as we crunch up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and 15. Flip it over for over-unders. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. Whoops. 4. If you fall, just get right back up. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and 15. Stay on this side with your right oblique facing up. Kick your feet out just a little. Put your arm down, right hand behind your head. Up we go for 15. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Now we want our right oblique down for our over-under. The right oblique down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Really get a good twist in there. 13, 14, and 15. Down we go. onto our bellies, well, onto our elbows and toes for plank dips. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. These should feel really good because we are on our last set. 15, 16, 17, especially after that HIIT cardio we did to warm up. Man, I'm really feeling great this morning. 21, 22, 23, almost there. 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. We're gonna put our right side up first, and we're gonna do our oblique crunches first. Right side up, feet out just in front of you, left arm down, right arm behind your head. Up we go for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I really like to grab my mat. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. We're gonna put our right side down. And we're gonna go up and side plank for under, over, up, down. I don't know. 2, 3, 4. We're just gonna reach and work our obliques. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Almost there. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Other side. So we're gonna stay right here with our right oblique down. Kick our feet out in front of us, keeping our left oblique up. Right arm down, left arm behind your head, and crunch for 15, 14, 13, 12, 11. Make sure you're getting your upper body engaged. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Flip it over and get your left oblique down. I'm gonna call these reach unders. 1, 2, we're doing them on our left oblique now, really working that left side. 5, 6, 7, when my feet don't get on the mat, they have a tendency to slide further away from me. 9, 10, 11, 12. So I find myself readjusting. 13, 14, last one, 15. Great job if you made it to the end. This has been a phenomenal workout. I'm really enjoying this abs challenge. I'm noticing a difference in my waistline. I've had to go my belt down a size, which is where I like to be. So I'm encouraging you to keep up with this and keep going. Don't incorporate HIIT every day if you're going to start incorporating HIIT. Only do it about every other day. Your body needs some time to recover. Go on ahead and take a quick stretch, but before you do, make sure you subscribe to the channel. I will see you tomorrow.